What's going on YouTube? It's Slump Boy B coming at you guys with another video. So today we're gonna be putting this new grill on my truck. So let me show y'all how it look. This is basically like I don't know if they call it the TRD grill or if it's like the Raptor grill, I don't know, but this is a grill we're gonna be putting on. Y'all gonna see my truck in a second. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description down below in case y'all want to pick it up. I got this on eBay. I feel like I got a pretty good price for it. And this comes with like the regular garnish cover, so we gonna see how that work out. And then you could put these lights like however far spaced you want it. I want them just like right next to each other because it's just gonna look like a strip. But I can see the harnesses, and then I have the piece that goes with it to tap power and ground. So we gonna take the one that's on there off right now. I would recommend getting a clip puller, but I don't have that right now because my toolbox is at my mom's place. I'm at my place right now, so I only have like a certain amount of tools and shit. But this little baby pry bar should do the job, so we're gonna go out there, see if we can get this real quick and get it off, and then we're gonna bring it in here to switch it over, and I'm gonna show y'all the electrical part. Y'all gonna see a part in the video where I go to the store to get the adder fuse, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what you need to get that, because I think I'm probably gonna end up tapping power that goes to the fog light for that. So y'all will see that. Alright, y'all, so this is how the truck looking right now. Last video I had put that cover on, so you know, just pop the hood. By the way, this is the little add fuse piece that you're gonna need to wire it up. I actually bring that in with me, but leave it here for right now. That's the grill that we're gonna be changing how it look right now. Yeah. 4 clips is nothing crazy, and then this whole piece is just gonna come out. So I'm gonna get these and show you how it look. Got that sensor out. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I just got it out. That's how it's gonna look. I realized this shit had more pins than I thought. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. Them little tabs and push pins. We got a TSS sensor, and then I forgot we got 2 10 mils right here. So one here, and that holds that on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go switch it over and then put it back in. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm at AutoZone right now. I ain't finna be here long. Just need to get something real quick. Just gotta get that little add fuse. I just wanna make sure I show y'all what it is, in case y'all wanna look for it too. That's it. That's the one you want, the little short one. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we're back inside with them. There's a new one. We got the old one here. I feel like this part's pretty simple. Basically, so this around part is really just like the paint. So this is really just the grill inside. So basically everything that holds the grill piece to the outer piece we need to take off. As y'all can see, all these clips are gonna need to come out. Y'all can see clips on the new one. So yeah, we're gonna have to take all these clips out. We're gonna have to move this TSS sensor over and mount it here. And then there's just a bunch of screws. So screws that connect this piece to the old grill. I feel like this is kind of self-explanatory. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it and then I'll show y'all after, because I don't know exactly which ones I gotta take out, but it's not rocket science. Just all the ones that connect the outer part to the grill. So I'm gonna take this apart real quick and I'm gonna show y'all. Alright y'all, so for this piece, it's just sit right in here like that. So we got one piece up here, 2, 3, those are the main ones that hold this in. And then this sensor, you just need a little flathead to pry these out of the hole. This one down here, one up here, and then you got a whole sensor out. So this is gonna go right here, and it's basically like the same way you connect it. Just about. I mean, the wire is gonna get routed a different way, but it's that same piece. And then, oh, look at that. So there's no piece to screw these in here, but there it is. You just gotta take these out. So look at that, slide them right out. So just slide these two out. Slide them right in on this one. I tell y'all, this is not no rocket science, right? I mean, I done a lot of shit working on cars, but ain't no rocket science. Yeah, apples to apples, that's all this is. So yeah, and then we just gonna screw these two back in, screw this one up top, and then just gotta zip tie this to the cover so this sensor don't go everywhere, and it plugs in up top. So that's already simple. And then now we just gonna take the rest of these clips out and switch it. So I'll be back when I get the rest of these out. 10 years later, no, I'm kidding. It's probably been like 25 minutes. But I can't lie, this was harder than I thought it was gonna be. And the reason why is because it's just the uneven pressure with it. So what I would recommend, try to get, I'm about to trip on this shit. Try to get the black clips first. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But start on the edges. So get the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I shoved my my screwdriver in the spot just so that it can't click back in, because the uneven pressure gonna make it just click back in. So get the 4 on one side, stick your screwdriver in it, and then just keep going around. And as you keep going around, I feel like you gotta take this chrome piece off at the same time you're taking this piece off, because it's just gonna have uneven pressure on it. So just get the 4, then get this, all the way, and then try to pull it out from the back at the same time when you're prying the rest out. Yeah, nothing crazy. I can't lie though, that took more time than even taking the bumper out the car. So yeah, there go the old piece. Now let's get the new one in. I'm so happy to get this chrome off. I hate chrome. Chrome is disgusting. So here go the new one. And the clips clip in from the bottom. So like I said, this piece gonna go right here. And to be honest, putting this back is gonna be the easy part. So I'm gonna get this all in place, and then I'm gonna show y'all and give y'all any tips if I had a problem with it. And those are just all the little screws from the outside, which, to be honest, I don't even think, let me see, I don't even know if we'll have to reuse these screws, because those screws were coming from the chrome piece. So yeah, I don't think we'll have to reuse those screws, but we'll see just in case. I'm gonna let y'all know. Alright, yeah, so I'm actually loving how this is coming out. It's looking good. I'm gonna get one more zip tie on this. It's gonna fit right there. And this is gonna go under here. Or I think it's over here. Yeah, so that should be straight. I don't even think this needs another hold down, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm looking at power right now for the lights. So this is the little add fuse. And this is the harness here. So all we're gonna do is tap, basically like splice it and connect this wire, this red wire, which is gonna be power, to right here. And then we're gonna jump onto the fog light with this. So I'm just gonna connect these real quick, which really you just need a little crimping tool. Probably some electrical tape, or I have some shrink wrap, I think. So I'm gonna do this real quick and then should be good to go. And then I'll show y'all where we're gonna connect this in the engine bay. So we about ready to wrap this up. Alright, y'all, so everything good to go now. Y'all can see I connected all the harnesses. We got power and ground here. The add fuse is spliced, and that's the ground. I might have to get one of them eye holes and then get a I might have to crimp this wire to like one of them eye holes to tap the ground on the frame. But we're gonna see when we get there. I'm not really too worried about the electrical shit. Like, I know it's gonna be some simple shit, but I might just have to go get something. I think I might actually have one, but we gonna see. I'm not worried about it. All them screws is from the chrome on the old piece, so we don't need none of that. And then, y'all see my vice grips over here. I couldn't find my little crimping shit. Left it in my toolbox. I ain't got my toolbox here, so I had to improvise. But that shit's secure. We good to go. We're gonna go put this in. I'm already happy with how it's looking right now. I feel like this shit looks great. Look at that. Yep. And then that little screw that holding the sensor, that screw don't get tight like that, but like it's fine, bro. I ain't worried about it. It's already 2 screws holding it in. I put the same screw back in. It's not super tight. It's not loose though, by any means. Like, I can't pull the screw out. Like, the screw is in there. Low-key need a longer screw, but I ain't worried about that shit. So it's good to go. We can go put this in. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, it's in. Look clean, if I do say so myself. You feel me? In my humble opinion. But we looking at electrical shit right now. I'm thinking about tapping either the towing tail light or the fog light. But we also got daytime running light right here. So those are 3 options. They go to mirror heater. That would be stupid. But I think I'm gonna go with the fog light. So when I hit the fog lights, that'll come on with it. I think I'm gonna change the fog lights amber anyways, so I think it'll be a good combo like that. But I don't know. I was also thinking about putting it on the towing light, because I have the towing light right now to come on when I open the door. But we got this switch right here, so I could just turn it on and off. But I think we're just gonna go with the fog light right now. I just feel like that's what I'm gonna do, but I might change it later. I don't know, we'll see. But we're gonna just go with 15A, which is the fog light. So alright, y'all, so everything is working. I just had a little technical difficulties because I need to look into the wiring it is, because I have hooked it up to the fog lights and it was always staying on even if all the power was off. So I don't know why that's like that. Same thing with the daytime running light, which the daytime running light doesn't have a fuse, so I don't even know what's up with that. But tried the towing light, both of like all four of those fuses were staying on all the time. So what I did was this RHLO. That's the headlights, not the daytime running lights, but the headlights. So if you have the daytime running lights, they're off, and if you turn the actual headlights on, they come on with the headlights. So I think that should look real nice. I only use the headlights at night, so it makes sense to me. And then, you feel me, y'all can see what it look like with the fog lights. I love how it looks. So that's how I'm gonna leave it for now. I think I'm gonna change it eventually, probably make its own switch, or I don't know, I'll do something else. But this is what y'all need. You can get this at AutoZone, literally just like an eye hole. And this is what I attached the ground wire to, and plug it up right here where the battery ground is. Just make sure you disconnect the battery first. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope y'all did enjoy the video. If I helped you out, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all the good shit. Until next time, I know what it is. It's not worthy. We out.